Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to improve your voiceover quality on Murf AI. So, let us begin. Tip number 1. Infuse captivating modulations. Enhance your voiceovers by exploring voice styling options. Adjust pitch, speed, and add emphasis to captivate your audience and breathe life into your narration. Tip 2. Perfect pronunciation. Sometimes, names and proper nouns need a special touch. Easily modify alternate spellings or use the International Phonetic Alphabet IPA to ensure impeccable pronunciation. Tip 3. Strategic pauses. Harness the power of silence. Insert well-placed pauses between sentences to amplify impact and give listeners a moment to absorb the content. By embracing these tips within Murf Studio, you are primed to craft voiceovers that resonate and captivate. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your creative journey with Murf AI. Thank you for watching, and until next time.